Alright, welcome back to another video by Firestarter Graphics and Engineering. Today we're going to be doing a similar video as the lofted CNC foot, but we're going to make the exact same part, but in a different way. Last time we used datum planes to create a pad and all these things, but if you wanted to make a quick and dirty version of this, just to get something 3D printed and made, this is another approach. So go ahead and open up Onsel Engineering Suite. Create a new parametric part, select body, and create sketch. Go ahead and do the XY plane. And we're going to do the same thing with a centered rectangle, or actually, let's just do rounded rectangle. It was a little bit faster. Okay, and our dimensions were, oh, I messed up, sorry. I got to type in the dimensions. The dimensions were 50, hit tab, hit 50, hit enter. Radius, we are going to use, I think I'm just going to keep everything at 6 millimeters right now. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and click the left and the right dot, and then the center and symmetry. Okay, our part is now fully constrained. Go ahead and hit close, and then we're going to click the part, right click, go to copy, make sure auto select depending objects is off, and we're going to only want the sketch. Hit OK, and then control Victor or V1 2 3 times. Notice the sketches are outside of the body, so if I collapse it, they are on the outside. We want them on the inside. Let's go ahead and select them by selecting one of them, holding shift, moving down or up, drag and drop to the body. So now they are in there. If we hide 1, 2, 3, 4, we can see them all. Let's go ahead and turn them back on. I'm going to rename them. This is going to be bottom. This will be bolt level. This will be mid-level. And then this one will be top level. So go ahead and get that done, and then we'll continue adjusting these and placing these where they need to go. Okay, now that we have those all named, let's go ahead and hit bolt level, and you can either go to property view, attachment, position, and adjust it here, or you can right click and go to attachment editor, which will bring up similar things, but it also gives us more options such as what to attach it to or remap it, but I'm not going to worry about that. In the Z direction, we're just going to up it to 5, and then go back up, hit OK. Mid-level, right click, attachment editor, Z direction, we want 30, hit enter. Top level, attachment editor, and we want the Z direction at 45, and hit enter. So now you can see where everything is lined up for our sketches. Now we just need to change a few of these sketches. So I'm going to go ahead and hide the top level. I'm going to hide the bolt level and the bottom. And we're just going to look at the mid level. We're going to right click it, and we're going to change, I mean not right click it, sorry, double click it. I'm going to change this dimension, if you remember, to 40. And if we had equal constraints, we wouldn't need to do the second dimension, but it's the same amount of mouse clicks. So, and there we go. Go ahead and hit close. Turn on bolt level, turn on bottom, and now top level. So let's go ahead and double click top level and drag, delete everything, grab the circle. And last time, if I remember correctly, we did a 12 millimeter radius, and that should be constrained to right there, and hit close. So now we have this entire all these sketches. Each one is on its own separate plane. They shouldn't interfere with each other, and we should be good to go. Alright, with that said, let's go ahead and now loft everything. Last time we made a pad right here, but this time we're just going to use the loft feature to do so. So I'm going to click additive loft. I'm going to click that line, hit add section, click this line, hit add section, click this line, hit add section, click the circle, and add section, I think only one more time. Okay, then we hit OK. And we actually have our part. Now this line is just part of the seam. If we actually click it, and then if I were to hit delete, that would be bad. So don't delete that. I don't know exactly how to get rid of these. So refine is on true. If we hit false, yeah, we want refine to actually stay as true though. That's, I mean, you do want that. Okay, anyways, so that's just a quick and dirty way of getting that profile made without using the pad. From here, everything else is the same in the video previously that we did. So if you wanted to, you could adjust. Let's go to mid-level. Let's go to attachment. Hopefully this works. And we can do 25, hit enter, and you can see it change. So let's go ahead and hit to 30. Now you can probably hear my cat meowing. He's a good cat, and he's probably bored out of his mind. And I'm at my home studio. But anyways, I'm at my home studio anyway, so you're going to hear a few noises here and there, but I just want to show you a quick and dirty, simple way of making that shape. Now in other software, you're able to create the bottom sketch, the top sketch, and then draw in this spline right here called a rail and be able to loft along a rail. Onsel doesn't have that feature yet, so this is the way it needs to be done. Just remember, every software is different, and this is how it's done in Onsel. Anyways, thank you for watching, and have a great evening.